Morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. I got into this project and then a little light bulb went off in my head, and I said, well, this is really too good not to share it, so I'm going to jump in the middle here and I'll show you what I'm doing. Basically, in a couple other videos, some on the palms, in particular that one right there, I got about 6 fronds down in a couple of seed buckets. And not seed buckets, these seed things. And hold on. Okay, I'm back. Anyway, I'm halfway through cutting these up. That's my chainsaw. And I try to pay as much attention as I can to safety. And I was laying the fronds up on here, and this cutting log, which I saved from another tree. I didn't know what I was going to do with it, and today I figured out what I was going to do with it. It's going to be my cutting log. So first I just laid it down. It's round and it was rolling a little bit. I put my foot up on it, and then I would lay the frond across like like so, and I would put my foot up on here, and it would roll a little bit, which was not good, and the blade would be running right about there next to my foot, which is not good. So the first thing I did was I cut a flat on one side of it. So yes, actually pretty good. Most of those cuts I did not have to put my foot on top of the frond. It just settled down in there pretty good. And the other thing I figured out is if I aim the not leafy part, if I aim this up and kind of snuggle those leaves or whatever you call them. Help me out, somebody in the comments, if you know what they call these things on the pond. I can cut through this pretty quick and not have to cut through a bunch of leaves. So that would be the preferred method. So anyway, mainly the thing was shaping up this cutting block so that it was safe and moving. And the other part of it, I guess, is just technique on cutting these fronds. Okay, give me a thumbs up or a like. This helps me out. Subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun, and wish me luck on that one. That's the tallest one. Haha. Froggy out. Bye-bye. Job's done. My yard dudes will use their blowers and clean up the rest of it. See ya. Froggy out.